Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get TikTok with a VPN. To get TikTok with a VPN, you will need to bypass restrictions set by your internet service provider or network administrator. In some countries like China,